We used to have each other's playlists. No, no, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything.
Do I even know how to swim? About 2 years ago, I attempted to make my own swimsuits because I couldn't find one that was nice, it covered up, and that was my size. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make my own, and it didn't go so well, but swimming today made me realize that I really need to get back to it and figure out how to get it done, because I would really love a nice, fitted, full coverage swimsuits. I want to feel comfortable when I'm swimming. I want to feel like majority of my butt is covered. My sewing room has been messy for a while now because I've had back-to-back orders and I've not really gotten the time to clean up. But today I'm a little free, so I'm going to take time and just clean up the room. You know, when the cleaning spirit comes, it really makes itself known. I want to do something I saw on TikTok. So apparently there's a screw in the sewing machine that you can loosen up and it will drain all the oil inside so that you can clean the tray and fill it up with new oil. I didn't even know this was a thing. you guys remember the shirt I made for my sister? So the shirt doesn't have buttonholes yet because I didn't have a buttonhole foot. So now that I have one, I need to get it done for her because she has been nagging me about it. So let's do that. Let's do that together.
Where's your head? Where's your head? I need you now. Won't you come back? Would you fall for me? I
started fixing it, but I realized that the dimensions, but the size kept changing. Because if you look at this size and you look at this size, they are two different. These ones are smaller than these ones. I'm going to test it on this one before I even try and fix the buttonholes on these ones.
I know when it feels right. I know when it feels.
I've done 2 so far, and I don't like it. I don't really like it. I want the zigzag on this to be smaller and the space in between should be a little bigger. So I'm going to try another regulation and see how that works.
All the things I said, things I did, never meant for it. I meant that I need some time to grow. I don't wanna grow to someone you don't know. You don't know. Would you fall for me? I will fall for you. Don't you make no mistake, 'cause I'm all for.
What the hell? I already broke 2 needles. It's either this is how it's supposed to be, or I'm still not completely sure how to use this buttonhole foot. Charlie, I'm getting overwhelmed and tired, so let's call it a day. Tomorrow I'll try again.
scared to be lonely, but you're treating me just like you're already gone. You spent so long trying to control me. You're too blind trying to see this isn't where you belong.